2, 3. Yeah, man, it's C4 the Outlaw. Mr. Game is on in a real time. You understand? And today, I got the artist from England, B4C. Guys, this guy has been singing his songs ever since he was a child. And I'm telling you, he has some wonderful lyrics that he wants to share with you. C4 the Outlaw. Welcome, B4C. How are you doing, man?
One love, brother. Yeah, man. C4 Outlaw, B4C.
See that?
Generation of generation. Yes, brother. Blessed love.
Well, you know, I'm doing pretty good, man. I'm over here just enjoying the time. How is life over there on your side in London there?
Oh, well, everybody locked in, you know, brother. Everybody locked in, can't go nowhere, man. We just have to housebound at the moment. We just housebound, just watching telly, sit down, walking in the back garden and stuff like that. We can't go nowhere, everywhere. London lockdown, England lockdown.
Man, does Big Ben still work? The big clock over there?
No, it's not working at the moment, brother. Lockdown as well.
Oh, man. Even
lockdown as well, brother.
Man,
it's on lockdown.
Man, even Big Ben stopped working right now in London. I'm just saying, man, right now it's a pleasure having you on the show. You know, and you know, I've been listening to your music. I know what your music is like. You know, I just want for you to just like let the audience, you know who you are. This is B4C, and I want you guys to just like and share and subscribe because this will be posted on our C4 Outlaw on YouTube channel as well. Make sure you guys are subscribing for future artists as well. So B4C, take it away, man. Who's B4C? Go ahead.
Well, B4C is an artist we've been singing from about 22 years now, 23 years. And we've been struggling ups and down, doing the rounds, and we just realize now how to go towards the goal. So we're striving towards the goal, and we got some new adventure, we got some new lyrics, and we got some reality trying to teach the kids them and try to teach the youth them about B4C and where I'm coming from and what I'm all about. That's what B4C is here for. We get to teach the kids them and teach people what it's all about.
Well, every artist normally have a unique name. You know, what does B4C really stand for, and what does it mean right now for the generation?
Well, my full name is Bobby Blake.
Right.
So you got four B's in Bobby.
Right.
And the C, the 4 is for the 4B, and the C is for creation. So it's before creation.
Oh, that is so wonderful, man. I like the way how people always have like this name, and it's just like it always reflects something about your life, you know, and it transcends throughout your music. I'm gonna play one of your music right here. We're gonna be playing the Backstabber. Is there anything that you want to say about the Backstabber? Just let the audience know what this song, you know, is all about, and what, you know, really inspired you to write the song right here.
Well, this song, Backstabber, is what? It's go out to friends, family, and also brothers and sisters, because you got sisters and you got brothers who, yeah, we might born at one mom, one dad, but when we grow up and mature, they become different. So you got good people and you got bad people. So I was going through some stuff where I can't believe family member would do things like that.
Right.
So that tune just come in my head. That tune just come in my head, and I just sing it. I just couldn't believe what I'm getting from family member. Family member was stabbing me left, right, and center. So I just get that tune, and so that tune become reality to me.
Well, guys, without further ado, you know, we want to play the song from B4C, Backstabber, real time, you know. And what's gonna happen is this is a beautiful song, man. Beautiful song.
Brother, when the wicked them come to fight against you, and they stumble and step. You know they know one woman.
Oh yeah?
Sister turn her back for me. When you expect friend for the man. When I kill her too.
Yeah.
Until walk past me. Uncle don't want to see me. When you expect friend for the man. Friend I kill her too. Them I got tired to see me face. Cause them can't get me out of the race.
Hey, quick job, pick up yourself.
Oh, them here say about the break and burn up the place.
Bobby Black.
Great is great, great can't rate. We don't let no one know me. Sister turn her back for me. When you expect friend to me. Friend I kill her too. Until walk past me. Uncle don't want to see me. When you expect friend to me. When I kill her too. More them a fight me, and the more me get stronger. And the more them want kill me, and the more me live longer. More them don't like me, I'm a fighter.
Fight the world.
I'm a survivor.
Survivor, brother.
Yeah.
Real time.
I'm a survivor.
Yeah.
Brother, they know me.
See that?
Yeah, man. That's the truth, man. You got family member where you born and grow with, brother. They wanna kill you, man.
Right. So,
They really wanna.
no, go ahead, man. Go ahead. You were saying?
Yeah, they really wanna kill them. Yeah, man. Definitely. So I saw that music come. Cause I've been getting fight from left, right, and center, man. People been pulling me left, right, and center and telling me stupidness, man. And you know what I mean? Brother and brother no live good, and sister no live good, and it's just a mix up and backstabbing things. So I saw that music just come at the right time when I'm going through all these struggling. You see me? Just take it out on the music and just leave them alone and make them get on with them life and just do my thing.
Well, definitely, I really appreciate you making some music, man. It really inspires, man. And it tells your inner feeling. You know, it's just another way to just like express yourself. You know, when you said, if my sister's not helping me, what do you expect strangers to do? You know, it's just like, you know, it's just one of those things that I think a lot of people can relate to this music right here. So, how would you describe the type of music that you create, and what is your creative process like?
Well, I'm trying to. The type of music I'm trying to create is something like garnet silk.
Right.
I'm trying to get that energy, that ice, because music is a ice. So if you get that ice, you can get them feelings there. So you have to find that ice to get that feeling. So I'm looking for that ice at that moment. The more you look farther, is the more their music come to you.
Right.
If you get me. So I'm a type of garnet silk type of singer. That's what I'm looking like. That's what I'm looking forward to. You know what I mean? So I'm always thinking out of the box. I'm not thinking just like in front of me. I'm thinking out of the box. What happened next week? What's gonna happen the next year? You know what I mean? That's how far my mind is.
Well, you know, it's always good to think, you know, and it's always good to try to process. It's always good to forecast, you know, the music at a time. And music is always been so cool with artists in general. You know, you can see yourself collaborating with big artists out there right now.
Wow.
To do a collaboration.
Wow. My dream would be Luciana.
Right. And that's the message.
Lucy. That's the messenger, brother.
Why would you say the
That's
messenger?
the messenger. I just feel like he could teach me more, and I just feel like he's not even the type of artist. I think he's a quality. It's not quantity. I think he's a quality artist. And you get to meet somebody who you idolize is a nice thing as well. Because I really think in them box as well, I say, like Garnet Seal, Luciana, you know what I mean? I would love to do something with Luciana, you know what I mean? That would be my dream.
Well, Luciana is a really positive artist, really positive, really upbeat, high tempo, as well as he's really positive in that. Very spiritual. I met him quite a few times, and I can tell you, whenever you're around him, you feel a different presence, it's just a different sense of reverence whenever you're around Luciana. What message would you give your fans like?
Well, my fans, they can look for positivity from B4C. They can look honesty. They can ask me anything, and I won't lie. They can see me on the road, and I'm not hiding. I'm just down to earth. You can knock my door if you want some salt, man, and I will get that salt for you, man. You know what I mean? I'm just real. You get me? It's no fiction about me. It's facts. I'm just facts, reality. You get me? So that's me. You see me on the street, you wanna help you do something, I will. That's me, man. Natural, man.
Well, natural, and that's just one of the things. So what's your outlook right now on the music? What's your outlook? What do you have in the making right now? Are you working on any projects that you need to tell them about as well?
Well, I'm working on some tune. I got a project right now, looking for a 10 PM album. I'm trying to make an album at the moment, so I got about 3 tracks on it. Start from about January. But I just rest it at the moment because you know what's going on, the big C going on. So everything closed down, studio closed down, everything closed down at the moment. So we all on just writing, stopping at home and just do what we can do. That's the best we can do at the moment. But I got a album lining up at the moment. And as you see, I got some single on the road and stuff like that.
Well, where can people find you right now? Where can they find you right now?
Well, I'm on Facebook at Bobby Blake Music, and you can find me on YouTube, Bobby Blake Too Long. That's BOBBYTOOLONG Long. You can find me on YouTube, and you can find me on Instagram at Bobby Blake Music as well. That's the 3 main site I'm on focusing on right now.
Well, I know you.
And the website is Bobby Blake Music, B4C Music.com.
Well, definitely on B4C, as you talk about live, you see, I know you have a song right here that's called Bad Company. And I'm going to be playing this song, for the public right now to let them hear. Hey, Emra, big up yourself, Draga, big up yourself, Imara, Mobile King, Nevada. You understand me? Big up yourself, Andre, Light, Simit, Jade, and Unruly. There's quite a few people right here, but we got to get the interview going. Bad Company. Reach it out. B4C. What's up? Oh, yeah?
Be yourself. Once in your life. Be a leader. Not to follow. Stop follow bad company. Don't follow bad company. Stop follow bad company.
No bad company.
Don't follow bad company. They will lead you astray. They will make you rise again. They will make you go away. Go away. Go away. I know for your mommy grow you. I know for your daddy grow you. Now police want know you. Now soldier want blow you. You live your life away. And the people who know you. And the community grow you. Youth man, don't be a fool, you be yourself. For once in your life, be a leader, not a follower. Don't follow bad company. Stop follow bad company. Don't follow bad company.
Don't follow bad
company, let me lead you astray. Let me make you rise the clay. Let me make you go away. Go away,
Go away.
go away. You to go and go school, youth. You know you're not fool, youth. You're gonna rule, youth. So just be cool, youth. So just be cool. Be yourself, yeah. Be yourself.
Definitely. So I just got a message here from Imara. He says there is effect that is overpowering your voice, not hearing your questions clearly today. So let's see if that's the microphone that's going on. Imara, can you hear us clearer right now? Check. So we want to make sure that he's hearing us clear. Anyway, we got the whole session recorded, so we will be getting all that information in. And for yourself as an artist, you know, the internet has been growing and growing and growing. You know, back then we would have to take music, we're bringing it, we drop it off to outlets and stuff. How do you feel like the internet has impacted music nowadays?
Well, everybody sit on one level now. Everybody's on one level. It's just because some got more name more than me right about now. But I'm doing my thing on the internet and I love it. I love it because one time you got to beg people to play your tune. You got to beg producer to voice you. You can do your one thing now. You can release your one stuff now.
Right?
You get me? So I think the internet is the best thing since music. I think that right about now.
Well, if the internet is affecting the music in a positive way, then that's one thing that we want to make sure. I just bring the microphone down a bit closer because I want to make sure that everybody's actually hearing the things that we're saying here clearly. You know, if the internet is affecting the music positive right now, is there any negative that you think the internet could bring towards your music?
Any negative? You got plenty haters, man. You got plenty haters on the internet. They're just like a wild hound, man. They hound you. So you got people who just sit at home on the laptop and just try to bring it up.
Right.
And they don't tell you, you know what, you're doing good, or continue to do what you're doing. They just ask you, you're not doing good, you just bring it down. So you have to have a strong mind and just focus and just keep on doing what you're doing. That's all you have to do. Just keep on pressing the gas. Just keep on doing it and you're gonna break. Yeah, man.
Well, for artists who are out there, I just want to share this information with you all, is that sometimes we feel like there's people, you know, who are against us. And we don't know those people. We just hear about those feedback. You know, that there's somebody who doesn't like you in the industry. This guy's not going to play your music. What I ask all new artists or young artists to do, because this is me talking from experience right here, is trying to get a meeting with these producers, these jockeys, you know, all of these persons who you think, you know, who would not help you. They're just human like me and you. And sometimes they just want to know that, hey, you know what, I can work with this person for real. So I advise all young artists to just make sure that you guys are getting out there and reaching out to these jockeys in person. Some of these jockeys are saying other stuff. What's your take on the music, you know, right now? If there was one thing in the music that you could have changed, what would be that one thing that you would change?
Honesty. The best policy.
Right?
Honesty. You're not gonna play my song, tell me. You don't take my music and you're not gonna play it, because you got people have feelings like me. We're looking and telling my friend, oh, my song gonna play on C4 today. And then for a whole week I'm sitting down, no music. So honesty, just honest to me. Your type of music is not what I go for, or I don't like your music. That's it. That's the honesty.
what's that one word of advice you've ever received, from someone, regarding your talent? You just say, hey, you know what? And that one advice will stick with you and keeps you going. What's that one word?
That one word is believe in yourself. Don't give up. Continue, press on. You might not make it today, but continue, press on. There is a way there for you. There's a spot in that big world for you. Just continue.
I like
There's always, man. There's always something happen tomorrow, man. The dice can roll on your side tomorrow. Trust me.
I like the way you say that, because listen, right now, everybody who just talked about this music, they knew that consistency is the key. And anytime them see you out there B4C, you gotta tell them, I work. You understand me? And this is the song about it right here. This is the song from B4C. Work. So B4C, as you guys know it, work. You see me real time B4C. B4C, talk to the people.
Yes.
I want you to tell them where they can find you again, and what is expected. What are you looking for? Is there anybody out there that you want to reach out to at this moment right now?
Well, you can find me on b4cmusic.com. You can find me on Facebook at Bobby Blake Music. And you can find me on YouTube as Bobby Blake Tula. Yeah, that's the 3 place I'm working at the moment. And the next question is, I'm looking for positivity. If you're reaching out to me, reach out to me with positivity. Please, I'm asking you. I'm a loving person. I will give you back love. You give me love, I'll give you back love, brother. That's it. I'm not looking for nothing more than straight. I'm on the straight road. I'm not bend and around corner or nothing like that, brother. I'm just going straight. So you come to me with positive, I will come to you back with positive.
So definitely, you guys heard it first here.
There's a positive album coming out, so I'm looking for positivity.
Positivity counts when it comes to B4C. B4C, what's your favorite song to perform? I got one in mind that I'm going to play next, but let me hear which song you said is your favorite song to perform for the people out there.
You know what? I like Who Is to Be Blamed. That's the song everybody running with now in England. You got a DJ when you're in DJ Velvet.
Right.
He's absolutely smashing that song. You got a next DJ when you're in Wissy Wassy, smashing that song. It's playing all over in Europe at the moment. Who is to be blamed? Because somebody has to take the blame for this coronavirus, what they make on us.
See
so
that?
The tune is direct to them.
It's reaching out to you. Who's to be blamed? We're wrapping it up. B4C. Real time. Definitely.
Yes, my boss.
Definitely. So,
respect, my general.
You know, definitely the songs are so beautiful, man. One of these things is
thank you.
You know, it's who's to be blamed right now for all these things that we're facing right now. We're home. You know, a lot of people are out of their jobs, and people are just passing away left and right. You know, and we want to make sure that everybody who's out there, man, you guys got to just like and subscribe. Watch a thing right now. I'll upload it on C4 The Outlaw on YouTube. We got B4C in the building. And I want to tell you, man, it was a pleasure chatting with you. You know, big respect. I wish you all the best in your career. You know, and before I go, I want to just ask you one other thing is, what's that one word of advice you would have given to a young artist who's coming up right now in the music business? What would you say to that person right now, you know, from a man who has more experience in the business now?
Don't give up, youngster. Wanna come in to take over, so don't give up. Come with a positive, not negative. Just keep on pressing. That's all I can give them. You come with positivity, and all negativity will keep away from it. That's all I can say. You know what I mean? Don't give up. Don't give up. Just keep on going. Keep on. Somebody's there gonna take our ears and listen to you one day. Somebody gonna listen to you one day and say, well, he ain't stupid. He's know what he's saying. Give him a try. Let's give him a go. So don't give up. Keep on going.
Well,
That's what I can say. It's C4.
You guys heard it from B4C right here. Do not give up on your dreams. You know, just keep on. Make sure that you're working your hardest, believing in yourself, and stay positive. That's what the man says. B4C, C4 The Outlaw, real-time interview. Mr. Game is on. Blessed to have you on, man. And I wish you all the best, like I said.
King.
All righty? You take good care of yourself, man.
Love C4. Blessed, brother.
Right.
Stay strong.
See the blessings, man. Real time. See you? All right, so.
Cool, John.
Yeah, man. Cool. Oh, God. All right, good. So now we got that taken care of right here. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Real time joker, you see me? Hey, Cordell. Yeah, what's going on, road boy?
Damn, man.
Oh, okay, man. Yeah, you man?
I drop a gem on you real quick.
Yeah, go ahead.
Slow down with the uploads.
Okay, good.
And what you need for though?
Right.
It's pick a time. Even Google it. Google it and say, yo.
Hey. Got it. Me call it. Baba call me right now.
Right.
Me answer Baba right now.
All right.
Yeah, cool. Yeah. Hey, Jacoby. Hello? Oh, shit. We received some boxes with food for employees, but we gave them away. It was only 10 packs that we had.